My boss at Oreo slept with my wife for no reason, so I decided to take revenge by revealing the secret recipe of their cookies. Remember to save it so you don't lose it. In a bowl, add 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it up and add 2 eggs. Then mix it until the texture is like on screen. Add 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of dark chocolate cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix together until combined. Remove the dough and form it as a square. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, roll out the dough and use a champagne glass to form your cookies. Place these pepperoni-looking things on a baking sheet and bake them for 15 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, add half a cup of butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it until you get it nice and creamy. Time to build the cookies. Now you know the secret recipe of Oreo cookies. If you've made it this far, comment on what recipe I should do next, and don't forget to follow for more secret recipes.